We've gotten to a point where homes are built very tight, meaning they don't breathe that well, very well insulated. We're seeing HVAC systems short cycle, which brings its own challenges that we're going to talk about in just a moment. We're seeing indoor air quality issues that we've never seen before, and we're even seeing humidity issues causing things like mold and all kinds of other issues. Is a lower electric bill a good thing? Well, of course, but does it bring some challenges? Yes. Should we encapsulate our crawl space? Should we add more insulation to our homes? Should we want double pane windows? Yes, I think all of those things, if done correctly, are good things. But again, they all bring their own challenges.